Hello, Kartapult users. In this video, we will be discussing Google Campaign Analysis Report. Here, we can view different campaign names with campaign types, along with spend to revenue distribution, marketing performance, conversions, ROI, and by conversion time performance. You can also view this report on weekly, daily, or on monthly basis from this button. Moreover, you can also filter this data by campaign name and campaign type from this basic filter button. And if you want to compare this data between two time periods, you can do it from this button. If you want to get this report by email, you can schedule it from this Schedule Report button. Here, you need to enter the date range, frequency, time, and select the days. And here you need to enter the recipient email, then click on Schedule. And from this download button, you can easily download this report. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to successfully analyze your campaigns using Kartapult's Google Campaign Analysis Report.